for Minister to reply on this very important subject. But through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to know the mind of the government, and it will not be accepted. It will not be acceptable just to get the reply, no, sir. But I really want to know the mind of the government. After I brought this issue in this floor of the House, so obviously it has been a notice. So I just want to know, how will the government react on this?
Minister in charge, how do you react to this?
Sir, the reply is no. So, but the concern of Honourable Member is being noted. That's why the government have taken seriously on this matter. In fact, the anti-human trafficking unit have been established in all the districts headed by the additional SP, as the case may be, to see and to that if there is any type of this type of thing, it could be prevented at the particular point of time, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm very concerned with this issue because this area falls in my constituency. I do really want to take up this issue right from the time when I got elected. But I have to presume how true the fact is. So because of that reason, so it is a shame, and I'm afraid that if we cannot control, it may turn into red light area, and it may also known to our all neighboring state that one fine day they may call or they may class as a state, as a capital state, deal with prostitution. I have to state the fact. So with this very subject, I would like to know the government, as I brought this to the notice of the House, especially the concerned minister, will the government care to investigate or conduct the inquiry on the matter?
Sir, because the government cares, that's why we have already established this anti-trafficking, human trafficking unit in all the districts of the state. And we are trying to see that this type of things do not happen. And to the best of our knowledge, that there is the Khyndai Lad is not the pick-up point of sex worker, but to our thing we know that it's a pick-up point for passenger, for taxi, for bus, for this thing. But I don't know for that this type of thing. Till date, I have not come to my notice.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we should not take this as a joke. This is a serious matter. This deal with many precious life of our beloved youth. So I just want to know more from the government, through you, concerned minister, whether the government plan to rehabilitate these sex workers if they give up or discontinue with their practices.
See, the question related to the Khyndai Lad become a pick-up point. So the answer is no, sir. But the government, they have alive to the issue, and the government of India, the government of Khale also, they have a scheme to how to rehabilitate this sex worker as the case. But there is no record in our department. I cannot say right now what is done, but we will do. We need the cooperation of the people, we need the cooperation of the community to sensitize the people that this type of thing is a crime against humanity, so we could prevent, so we need the cooperation of each one of us as a society. Sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, to supplement more, it will lead to a crime. If we just see by our naked eyes and act as we could not see. Why I'm saying this? Because it affects and it's going to affect. Like it may turn to many sicknesses, as we all aware to HIV, to AIDS, that when it already too late, it's no use to take action.
You want to
It is
do
what, sir.
supplementary most of questions?
No, right, sir. Since the Honorable Minister, he clarified on this August House that it was known to him that it was a pick-up for passenger, not for pick-up for sex worker. But that area fall in my constituency. If you really mean business, spare your precious time from 10 o'clock with me. We'll take a room, and we'll see how true it is. This is a serious matter, please. Don't make funny. Don't wait till it touch your knee, then to realize the fact. So I just want to get a clarification from the Honorable Minister, whether he's ready to spare his time. We'll take a round and we'll see the fact.
Mr. Speaker, sir, in fact, I used to go there before this lockdown. I used to have the joy whenever I come on tour, sir, if the shop on the roadside is closed, I used to have food in that roadside. I never see those type of thing. So I will not say yes or no, but we will discuss it another time, sir.
I think they are aware that you are the Home
Sir,
Minister,
just
that's
one-
why they are not there.
Sir, just one more. I don't know whether lockdown or lock up or lock. I don't know. But the fact is this. If you want to know the fact, just make, please spare your precious time.
Sir, I think the honourable member should inform the police department whatever crime is there, so that immediately the police could take action on this matter. This is unacceptable if there are such crime in that particular place, sir. This is so it's not the question of not me, who and the law is there, the police, the Thana is there, so he can contact those people and inform, and immediately the police will do necessary action, sir.
Excuse me,
Thank
sir. Let the department concerned deal with this problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, come on, Priya.
Honourable Speaker, sir, seeking your intervention on the matter, a humble submission for me, sir, is to request through you, sir, that the police department should, in the next 3 or 4 days, investigate, send us a reply. You can lay that information in the House. And we understand that you can laugh when it is a matter of concern for weaknesses, compulsions that women have. But it would be in the fitness of things to take stock of the situation and give us an assurance that some kind of work will get done and we can see whether there is any truth in the honourable member's observations. My submission to you, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I have already mentioned in my supplement that the state government have already established the anti-human trafficking unit in all the districts of the state to oversee. And it's in fact time and again, the police department have conducted raid whenever they get information, and even if the surveillance team is there to see that if this thing happens, sure, it could be prevented. So the police is alive to this issue, and we are working to it, and not only the police, in fact, society as a whole also is alive to the issues, because we didn't want this crime, this type of thing should happen in our society. Madam Speaker, sir.